Right now, we're seeing a notable sentiment shift in finance with a score of plus 0.03, which is slightly above our historical baseline. This indicates that positive sentiment is gaining traction, but what really stands out is the momentum score of plus 0.69. This level of momentum suggests that the sentiment is not just a passing trend, it's gaining strength and could lead to significant price movements soon. Using our API, you can access real-time sentiment data, including semantic clusters, enabling you to build predictive models or refine your trading strategies based on current market psychology. Imagine integrating this insight into your trading algorithm to capitalize on emerging trends before they fully materialize. For detailed documentation, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this momentum together.